Okay, if the minimum value of a function f of x equals cos 2x minus 2k times cos x plus 1 is minus 0.5, then the value of k. So the first thing, okay, let's rewrite this as from double angle identity cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1. So we'll open up this, we have minus 2k cos x minus 2k. So we've opened the bracket. So let's just rearrange it so that it will look like quadratic function. This is minus 2k cos x minus 1 plus 2k. So we now have a quadratic function. Yes, if you look at it, it looks like ax squared plus bx plus c. So our x is cos x. So, and we know that for any quadratic function from the graph, we know that since they gave us minimum, it always occurs at the vertex, and the value, the x value, is at minus b over 2a. That's the x coordinate. Y coordinate is c minus b squared over 4a. So for every quadratic function, the maximum or minimum value occurs at minus b over 2a. That's the x coordinate, and the y coordinate is c. But whenever you talk about value, we are talking about the y, the result. That's substituting x after the result. So they gave us the minimum value as minus 0.5. So what am I trying to say? C, from here, what is c? C is minus 1 plus 2k, minus b is minus 2k, all squared over 4 times a, here is 2, must give us minus 0.5, which is minus half. So I have, if you, this is 4a squared over a, so I have k squared. Okay, let's just write this minus 1 plus 2k minus k squared over 2. Yes, because this is 4k squared, so 4 and 4, we are left with 2 here, equals minus 1 over 2. So let's multiply both sides by minus 2, because the LCM is 2. Because of the negative, let's make it minus 2. So minus 2 times that is now 2 plus 4k. Y minus 2 times that is plus k squared. Minus 2 times that is plus 1. So we'll rearrange it. I have k squared plus 4k plus 1 equal to 0. That's a quadratic equation. And using our quadratic formula, k is now minus b. B is 4 plus or minus b squared, which is 4 squared minus 4 times a. A is 1, so minus 4 over 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is also equal to, let's reduce it. This is minus 4 plus or minus, if I factor 4, square root of 4 is 2. So we are left with 4 minus 1, which is 3 over 2. So which could be reduced at minus 2 plus or minus root 3. So from the option, let's not rush, because we don't have anything. We have minus root 3 minus 2 and also root 3 minus. So how do you know which one is correct? If you could remember, we know that cosine, the minimum is minus 1. Every cosine function, the minimum and the maximum, cosine of any angle is between minus 1 and 1. Minimum is minus 1, maximum is 1. So what am I trying to say? This is a cosine function. So our x is cos x. Yes, if you check. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying that cos x is what we use as minus b over 2a, and b is minus, I have minus 2k over 2 times a is all 2. So you notice that you have k over 2. We're asked to find k, but we need to be careful. K has something to do with cosine, and we know that cosine of every number must be between -1 and 1. That's minimum -1, maximum 1. So what am I trying to say? If we pick the negative also, we now have, if you check, if I substitute, okay, let's just do it. So when k is -2 root 3, so we see that cos x is -2 plus root 3 over 2. If you check, this should be minus 0 point something. Yes, because this is is -2. Root 3 is 1.732. So if you do -2 plus 1.70, you have minus 0 point something. So this will give us a number within this range. -0 point is in this range, so it's correct. But if we check if you check minus root 2 minus root 3, so this, we see that this will give off -3 point something. Yes, because this minus 1.73, so minus, yes, something like that, over 2. So if you do this, you see that you get something that is not in this interval. I think you get -1 point something, which is now out of this interval. Is now this. So k is the right answer. So the answer is option B. So let's not rush and pick the 2, or maybe say no, not enough info. So the best answer is B. Thank you.